cho bé một sai so ý tụ chiên đó nó sai nó giờ tụ chia đã chỉ nên chúng lên đầu tụ của sai thì giờ ra giờ đi cho là bé một sai ok sai nó giờ tụ ra là giờ tụ đã chỉ.
This mysterious animal was found floating in a river near a village in Indonesia. It was too big in size, measuring 23 meters long and 4 meters wide, with no known identity. After getting a closer look, you can understand how massive this animal is. Freak out if I saw this in real life.